We are in Blaine, Minnesota. That job right there, we pretty much, I want to show you a few things. We replacing the roof after storm in 2017, June storm, affected over 200,000 homes. And you probably have seen a lot of commercials from Geico, Allstate, State Farm. They target customers on a regular basis on the TV, on the radio, that you're in good hands and they're gonna take care of you. But what people don't realize, sorry, compressor loud. Let me go back here. What people don't realize or don't know, I'm just trying to find quieter space to talk to you, that insurance companies are only replace 1% of the jobs. So if you have 100,000 homes affected, only 1% of them will be filed claim and insurance actually will do payout. One of the reasons is, just like this house right here, because people, homeowners, don't see the damage all the way in the roof. So if you live in Minnesota, for example, your roof might be newer and you might have hail damage, but don't be part of the statistics when you don't start the claim or think, hey, I don't see the damage, nothing is falling. Like, you don't see hail damage right away. It'll take years for those holes, those dents from the hail to actually start being a problem. And I've seen roofs after 5-7 years that not taken care of, and you literally have holes in the roof, and it's gonna shorten the life at the very least of your roofing system. So if you live in the area and you know within the last couple of years you did have a hail damage, I highly recommend you to call local company like Storm Group Roofing. You can call us, you can call any company that is local and licensed and know how to work with insurance companies. We work with all 25 major insurance companies in the United States, and all the big ones. We know the process, we know how to start the claim. We would meet adjuster on site, jobs like this one. Even if you don't know if you do have damage, it's free to check it out. Call your adjuster, or first you can call contractors, and contractor will come out and explain to you what is happening. If you do have a damage, if you don't have a damage, a good reputable contractor will show you video or pictures of the job and will say, hey, right now your house, your roofing system is fine, you don't really need to start the claim. But if you do have a damage, he would call insurance for you, meet adjuster inside, start the claim, and insurance is liable to replace that roof. Again, insurance companies are only replacing a couple percent of all insured losses that they insure. So they, I think in 2016, they collected $65 billion in premiums from homeowners, and they only paid out $5 billion. The reason it's happening because a lot of homeowners don't start the claim. So if you're the homeowner in the Blaine, Minnesota, or Coon Rapids, Brooklyn Park, those areas that did get hit last year, what we see a lot is there's a lot of work out there, there's a lot of damaged roofs, but homeowners are not calling their insurance companies, not starting the claims, and there's different reasons behind it, but there's absolutely nothing illegal, immoral, or there's no reasons not to do it. This is the right thing to do, to call an insurance company and ask them to take a look at it and to replace it. Listen, if you would get sick and you have insurance policy, health insurance, you would go to the doctor, right? If you have a car insurance and you get in an accident, you will have your insurance company to replace your vehicle or fix it. With the housing, it's no difference. Please take care of your house. It's the biggest asset that you have. Make sure you take care of it. And Storm Group is here to help you with all your needs. We don't do any high pressure sales. We come out to you, we're your consultant on your side. We want to work with you, we want to work with your insurance company, and we want to replace your roof to the condition it was before the storm. Give us a call if you need a new roof in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and our number is 612-559-2449, or go to our website, check it out, and hope to help you this year. Thank you guys.